Synthesia versus HeyGen. Which AI avatar generator is better? Choosing the right AI avatar generator can elevate your content creation without complex setups. Both Synthesia and HeyGen offer unique features for creating realistic avatars efficiently. Synthesia and HeyGen are leading AI avatar generators designed to create lifelike digital avatars. The core difference lies in Synthesia's extensive customization and enterprise focus, while HeyGen emphasizes user-friendly interfaces and versatile avatar styles for quicker results. Synthesia is a powerful AI avatar platform that enables users to generate high-quality video avatars from text input. It works by leveraging advanced neural networks to animate avatars with natural speech and expressions, making it ideal for corporate training, marketing videos, and e-learning. Synthesia offers a wide range of customizable avatars and supports multiple languages, enhancing accessibility. Its strengths include professional-grade output and integration with enterprise workflows. However, it requires a subscription and may have a steeper learning curve for beginners due to its extensive features. The platform suits businesses and creators who need polished, scalable avatar videos with precise control over appearance and voice. Synthesia's focus on quality and flexibility makes it a top choice for professional content production. HeyGen is an AI avatar generator designed for simplicity and speed, allowing users to create engaging avatars with minimal effort. It uses AI-driven animation to bring avatars to life from text, offering a variety of avatar styles and customization options. HeyGen's interface is intuitive, making it accessible for creators, educators, and marketers who want quick video content without technical complexity. Strengths include a straightforward setup, diverse avatar designs, and affordable pricing plans. While it may not offer the same depth of customization or enterprise features as Synthesia, HeyGen excels in delivering fast, visually appealing avatars suitable for social media, presentations, and casual content. It's ideal for users prioritizing ease of use and rapid production over advanced customization. Synthesia and HeyGen serve different needs despite similar core functions. Synthesia is best for businesses seeking detailed avatar customization and professional video quality, fitting well into corporate training or marketing workflows. HeyGen shines for individual creators or small teams needing quick, attractive avatars with minimal setup. Synthesia's strength is in its depth and scalability, but it requires more time and investment. HeyGen offers speed and simplicity, but with fewer advanced features. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize comprehensive control and polish, or fast, user-friendly production for diverse content platforms. Choose Synthesia if you need professional-grade avatars with extensive customization and integration for business or educational purposes. Opt for HeyGen if you want a fast, easy-to-use avatar generator that delivers visually appealing results without complexity. Both platforms excel in their areas, so pick the one that fits your content goals and workflow best.